Today's mathcast will be intended for grade 1. This is module 6, topic B, lesson 9. The learning objective is to represent up to 120 objects with a written numeral. And this mathcast was created by Mackenzie Whitmore. Here is some catch-up on vocabulary. Digit place value. The value of where a digit is in the number. This includes ones, tens, and hundreds. Base 10 blocks are block tools used by students to learn basic math concepts like number sense, counting, and place value. This includes tools known as longs, flats, and a unit. Here are some examples of the materials that we will be using in this mathcast. These are base 10 blocks. This is a flat, this is a long, and this is a unit. A flat is made up of 100. A long is made up of 10, and a unit is made up of 1. And here we have digit place value. This is a place value chart. The ones, tens, hundreds. The A is in the ones, 2 is in the tens, 9 is in the hundreds, making this 928. Here's a warm-up activity. What number comes next in the sequence? As you can see, this sequence is going up by 1. 10, 11, 12. What comes after 2? 13. You just add 1. Same with this one. 110, 111, 112, 113. Now this one is going down. 20, 19, 18. What comes after or before 8? 17. You just subtract 1. This last one is a little tricky. 120, 119, 118, 117. This is example number 1. What number is being shown here? Remember, these longs are counted by tens. So, these tens, groups of tens, what's the number? So, you would start out with 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, and then move to the next group. 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. The total number of all these together is 100. And just one last time, what number is shown here? So you have 2 longs, so that's 10 and 20, and then 5 ones. So this equals 25. This is example 2. Here we go. Count the objects, fill in the place value chart, and write the number on the line. So since all of these bags are represented by 10, we have to count by tens and put it in the tens place. So you start with 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90. So after you count that, you put 90 here. And then you count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And you put the 8 in the ones. And then you come over here, the total number is 98. Same for the bottom. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. Bring that over and write 10 in the tens place. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That is 8 ones. The total number is 108. For example 3, will be a little bit harder, but it's the same process. You got this. Use quick tens and ones to represent the following numbers. Write the number on the line. So, we're already given the number. In the tens, there's a 10. So you would draw out 10 of these longs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And then you see that 9 is in the ones. So you would just draw little units. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And then you would just write 109. Over here is 10. In the tens is 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. But since there's nothing in the ones place, you leave it alone, and it's just the number 12. Here's a wrap up. In this lesson, we reached our objective to represent up to 120 objects with a written numeral. In the beginning, we used flats, longs, and units. We learned the place value number chart, and we also did a warm-up activity on how to count forward in a sequence and even backwards with bigger numbers. And then in our examples, we counted what numbers were being shown with these base 10 blocks. And then we did our 2 examples using pictures and place value charts. Thank you for watching.